Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to reset Roblox password. I wonder why you want to know how to reset Roblox password. Maybe because you have forget your password and now you want to get back to your account. Or maybe you think that someone else knows your password so you want to reset to create a new one so that you could secure your account, or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can reset your password on Roblox. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Roblox app. In case you don't have, you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it. Now just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. Once the app gets open, it will just take a while and it will land you to this page. Here we have two options at the bottom, sign up or login. You have to go with the login option. Once you tap onto the login option, you will get here. On the first option, you will see your username. In case you don't see that, you can manually type it here. And instead of adding a password, you have to go with this second last option which says forget password or username. Just simply click onto this option and it will just take a while to load and will take you to this page. Top you will see forget password or username. Here you have to add the contact number that you used to create your account so that it could verify you through your contact number. In case you don't have used contact number but you have used your email address, so at the bottom of the page you will see this option. Click onto it and add the email address that you used to create your account. Once you add it, it will send a email to your email address, and after that you have to get back to your email and open your email box, and there you will see a mail which says reset password and it's sent by Roblox. So this is the mail that I have received. You will also receive the same. Just simply click onto this white option which says reset password. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the browser. Here it says reset password. Now here you have to create a new password. First we have to create a password and then re-enter it so that you can confirm you have added the correct one. Once you're done with it, just simply click onto this submit option. Once you click on submit, it will submit that password as your new password. Now if you have done it, you have to simply go to the app, add the password that you just created, and just simply click onto this login option. Once you tap onto the login option, again it will just take a while to load and it will get back to your account. That means you have successfully reset your Roblox password. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can reset Roblox password. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.